Hello everyone, happy Monday. So I posted the denim wraps that we have available last night. As you saw, we have our dark blue indigo shade, we have the lighter blue shade, and we also have our black shade. All of them do have a lighter colored underside, so you could wear either side or both sides together. And I'm going to show you how to achieve the look that we did wearing the black one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on, having both sides at even lengths. And when I put it on, I'm gonna fold it a little bit, just like this. And I'm gonna put it on at an angle. We're gonna take it to the back and we're gonna crisscross. Then, the way that we had it on the model was that we folded it and we brought it up so the black side showed, but you could totally do it the other way. Fold it so the lighter side shows when you bring it up. But I'm gonna do it how we had it on the model. So basically fold it into thirds, bringing the inner in first, the outer over it, and then we're going to bring it up at an angle, fix it so it's not covering too much of my face and forehead. And then if you want to pleat it, you can totally pleat it. We're going to take this around as much as you can, bring it around and tuck it into itself. Then this last one, this is the one that we're going to fold so the lighter side shows when we bring it up. So we're going to fold it into thirds. And as you can see, the lighter color is what's going to show when we bring it up. So we're going to bring it up just like this. You can just leave it like that. We're going to take it around and we're going to tuck it into itself. And that's it. I love how this fabric creates pleats like so beautifully, and you can totally smooth it out if you want. I just prefer the look of pleats, but yeah.